So, too late about not posting on Wednesday. I've had a very busy beginning of the week, actually. Oh, I did get a haircut. Yeah, you probably noticed. Um, yeah, my week has been very busy because I actually had to study for a test for once. The test that was this morning. I know, it's hard to believe, me study. I'm not sure if I actually studied, but I did look at the homework a lot. Um, and it freaked out the other people when I went in to study because they were thinking to themselves, Lewis doesn't study. What's he doing in here studying? Oh, crap. But evidently, even that kick in the butt for them wasn't enough because on average the class scored 74% on the test, which is not very good. I got a 93, which is about middling for what I usually get, which means it was a good thing I put in the time I did. But that's why I wasn't able to post earlier. I was going to talk about something other than the test, though. One of the things my teacher says about the subject we're doing right now, it really bugs me. I don't think that surprises you at all. We're doing what's called Boolean algebra, except we've only heard it called that once because the teacher insists it is not math. Except it is. The name is Boolean algebra. And it's basically just logic math. Logic meaning ones and zeros. I'm into digital stuff now. Everything's simplified to zeros and ones. On or off. Either you're on or you're off. Tired or you're not. Oh, well, you are tired. That's a given. Because it is math. It's just slightly modified. We have addition and multiplication and something called inversion, which just means if it was a 0, it's now a 1, or if it was a 1, it's now a 0. That's all it means. So, taking away 2 operations, put in another one, but it's still math. We're still using variables, we're still using operations, and we're still getting an output of a number. We just have a couple extra rules. So that's what math does all the time. As you gain new complexities of math, as you do different types of math, they change the rules and you got new variables and new stuff. It's still math. But he says it's not math to keep the people who don't like math from freaking out about it because they don't like math and so they can't do it and so they hear it's math and can't do this. But it's also confusing the people who do know math, and I would honestly say it's probably about 50-50 as far as that goes here. At least 50% of people are good at math here. I would hope. Sheesh, I would hope so. Which means it's confusing the people who see, oh, this is math. Wait, it's not math? You're saying it's math. It looks like math, so I must not be understanding it. So, if anything, I think it's hurting as many people as it's helping, which means it's not helping because you're telling them a lie, getting them to believe it. And it's hurting as many people as it helps, which means you have a net negative because everyone is less informed and just as many people will get it as will not get it from your change in the definition. And I took the teacher aside during a break and I said, you realize this is math? Well, it is math, but it's easier to explain to people if you say it's not math, which it's just math. Sometimes people are weird. I'm weird too. Well, see you next week. Maybe this weekend, depending on everything. See ya.